Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how you can provide access to others in Google Notebook LM. Let's say, for example, you are working as a project manager or team leader in some company and you have a lot of knowledge. And if there is a new member or person who is joining the organization or team, and if you want to share some information or documents or knowledge, then what you can do is you can use this tool to share information with people in your organization or with the people from outside. So all you need to do is, let's say this is the project that you have worked for many weeks or months. Now you want to share this with some person who joined your organization. Click on share. Say for example, you want to share with some person. You have to take the email address of that person. Okay, I have created a test account. So this is the email that I have just added to give access to this document. Okay, so I have added the email here, and on the right hand side you see a drop down box here. Once click on drop down box, you see viewer, you see editor, you see also revoke access. So if you want to give access to the person as a viewer, viewer means the person can see the document, read the details, but they cannot modify the document. They cannot make any changes. They cannot edit, they cannot type, they cannot delete. So that is viewer. If you want to give editor access, they will have access to edit the document. They can type new information, they can remove some information. So you can choose this option if you want to give editor. So you can choose either viewer or editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give viewer here. Okay, and I'm going to select viewer and click on send. Now I'll go back to the mailbox and I'm going to wait for the email. Now you see a email like this. You will see a email like this. All you need to do is click on this. You have to click on this and it will take you. So once you click on the link, it will take you directly to the information that was shared by the team leader or the project manager. In this way within your team or within a group, you can exchange information and you can learn from each other. You can learn from each other. At any point in time, if you feel like you want to remove the access, all you need to do is click on share and you have to change it to revoke access. Revoke access means it is going to remove that access to that particular person. Now if you go back and click on that particular link, it says you do not have access to view this notebook. This means that the access has been removed. So in this way you can provide access when required and you can also remove access when it is not required. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.